welcome to another learning to video where I try and attempt to learn a new skate trick every couple of weeks or 1 week. Today's trick I'm going to try and learn the heel flip. In the last couple of weeks I feel my ollies, frontside 180s and pop shovits are getting a lot better, so I thought I'd kind of try and challenge myself, push my limits and try a new flip trick. Haven't really tried it much before. I tried a kick flip and heel flip maybe 2 weeks ago, like once or twice. Both went pretty badly. So it's my first real session of trying to land one. I'm aiming to get it under like an hour or 2 hours. This video is kind of ripping off a guy called Mike Boyd, who I think got it in like 4 or 5 hours. But I've been skating for a bit longer than him. I think I'm at 2 months and 2 weeks now, and he went straight from nothing. So yeah, if I can get under an hour, 2 hours, I'll be very happy. So I'm going to quickly warm up and then start the video properly. Just a wee warm up, didn't film it. It's also just started tipping it down as well, which is classic Scottish weather. Wasn't meant to, but it is. Hopefully it doesn't get away with me landing this heel flip. The time is now 5:24 PM. And the words of Mike Boyd, this is day 1, hour 0. First attempt. This might be easy. Might not be though. So that's not even 10 minutes in, and like, I'm getting the flip a lot, which I'm not sure is hard bit or not. I think hard bit's probably getting 2 feet on, but for what, 7 minutes, it's pretty good. Yeah, let's keep going. Oh, it's only been like 20 minutes and my shoe is already absolutely ruined. Close. Okay, so it's 10 to 6. So it's been 35 minutes. Pretty good progress for 35 minutes. Already getting pretty tired though. My shoes are getting worn, my ankle's getting knackered, but yeah, I'm not giving up just yet. I just need more flip. Pretty much an hour gone. So I'm not getting it under an hour. There's still a chance to get it under 2 hours. I'm not giving up yet. I'm sweating buckets, but I think I'm almost getting it. I'm so close. Shoes pretty much gone, ankle bleeding, and you can see my foot through my socks, so I've definitely been putting effort in.
Get an audience member.
That's it.
I bet I'll do this right.
Yeah, exactly. So it's now pretty much 7 o'clock. For the last 25 minutes, some really nice old guy came and chatted to me, which was really nice, but it was kind of annoying because I was feeling pretty good and almost getting it. And I feel like I'm now not going to be as good if I go back and try again. So we're going to go get some dinner. I'm not giving up, I'm going to try again after dinner. But we'll pause here at like an hour and, I think it's an hour and 5 minutes. So yeah, an hour and 5 minutes, and then I'll go find another spot and try again. See you in 2 seconds. So we're back at a new spot. The time is between 10 past and 8:15. We'll still call it 10 past. And I'm at an hour and 10 minutes for this challenge to see how quick I can get a heel flip. Yeah, let's get back into it. Can I hurt my foot?
Yeah, no wonder. There's a big hole in your shoe.
My foot and my ankle.
No. Oh!
Blood from there getting on my board.
That's horrible.
Commitment, full commitment.
Yes!
I stepped off.
Oh no!
I was like, oh, that was it. That was it. I could take it. I could call it there, but
Let's get it on the board. Stay on the board.
That was. I might regret that. And I might look back at this in 2 minutes' time and go, that's it. But I'll try and keep going. But that was. I'm happy with that. Oh, I'm definitely getting it. I'm getting better.
Yay!
That's two
In a row.
two sketchy landings, but yeah. Thanks for the time there. Well, last two sketchy ones. If they count, I don't know if they count. That was like what, 2 minutes ago, so that was let's say 8:40 pretty much.
Yeah.
And that was, hang on, let me think. So it was an hour and 10 minutes at 8:15 or 8:10. So that's half an hour. Hour and 40.
Nice.
Well, on that.
Well done.
That's pretty good. That's under 2 hours, but we'll try to get a more clean one. That definitely counts. I feel like I changed socks. My ankle's getting torn up. My foot there's getting torn up. So I'm gonna change socks. I just hope it gives me a bit of confidence. Look at that. Healthy shoe. Ah, no. I have really bad hat here, but I'll get his way.
Oh!
That's sock, and that's blood. So, sock is ripped through again, two socks gone, foot's getting bloodied, and ankle's getting bloodied too. So, I'll try one more, hopefully it's good. And if not, I'll call it a day there and just take 3 sketchy ones, which both are all under 2 hours, but I really want to get a clean one. Let's go, let's try one more. One more. Pull the socks down again. A few more tries. I really want to get it.
Oh no.
I'll do one more attempt and that's it. My foot's ruined, my ankle's ruined, my board's all bloodied up. This might be bad, might be good, but I've tried my best. Last attempt. You know what? I'll maybe come back another day and get a clean one, but for the purpose of the video title, I think I did land one. Like, not clean, not pretty, but it's only been 2 months and 2 weeks since I started skating, so it's pretty good. Time now is 9 o'clock, so what's that, like an hour and 55? 2 hours pretty much. I would keep going, but obviously my ankle and my foot are pretty ruined. So looking for new shoes and try another day, but yeah, pretty happy with that. Not the happiest ending, but yeah, alright. Like, comment, subscribe as always. Any tips, leave in the comment section. Always helps to get some advice from people who know better than me. And yeah, thank you for watching. Cheers.